Final day in Oorlogskloof. Getting ready to take that 10-kilometer hike out.
It was a good hike, tough with some stretches, but yeah, I enjoyed it, and I hope we have some good bushman paintings today. That's the highlight, and yeah, and I'll see you next time.
Beautiful hike. Every day offered something different scenery, and yeah. Great. Told me that it was
From Pramkoppie to Groot Tuin. Out. A final day take us up this hill here to that bushman art upstairs, up somewhere there, no? Right.
Somewhere at the start of the, just at the behind the start of the hike, you will see some bushman paintings, beautiful bushman.
Okay. And I believe this is the second shortest day of this 5-day trail.
Yes, it is.
Shortcut to Groot Tuin. So you got some paintings here. Finally.
That other one, 3 contains that very clear, and that one there.
See that? Oh yeah. What is that there?
Can you see?
That
Oh
is
yeah.
What is an angle?
It seems like a
Animal.
drawing of some beast of sort. Here we see it. Okay, let's give a photo. Bushman drawings, paintings.
it's worth it.
Here's that move.
At least they put it this time where
Yeah. Glen Hayveld takes you to a nice shady area. So on a hot day, this would be bearable. The locals are not happy to see us.
they're not very welcome.
Yeah, I hope you guys can see it. There they are.
Up on the ridge.
Yeah, can you see? You.
Oh, they are.
As you can hear, they're not happy.
Luipaard.
Knersvlakte.
Yeah, it's nice if you want to check
Vanghoek. Oh, it's a...
Picked up a souvenir. Somebody's water bottle. If you recognize it and it's yours, drop a comment down below so we can chat. There in the distance is Groot Tuin. Think. According to the brochure, there should be an old leopard trap. I don't know if Noel is gonna scout the area with me to get that trap. Up where? Up here? Yeah, no. This is what life is all about.
Yeah.
The outdoor. Okay. 44th kilometer mark. And I suppose this is the leopard trap. Looks more like a sarcophagus. Oh, I see. This is how it works. Some rope climbing again. Chimneys again. Down the rabbit's hole. I think it's down here. What? Don't we go down here? That rubbish that I picked up along the road. We should have done it. happening? Down here. Yeah. I'm still on the chain. This is extremely tight here. Alright. Almost all. Okay, you go for it. I can handle it.
Yeah, I'm sure they can handle it. It's not so tough.
That was a nice adventure. If you come here, you must come for the full Monty. Oh, no detours here.
Yeah.
Spilonkop.
You can go on the top with it. Wow.
You know what? I've already done something like this. I'm gonna go through this again. I came here for the experience, so I'm not taking no detours up here. I'm going through here. So let's go. I might just have to mimic. There we go. Made it. Are you sure? Because I see there's rocks laying on this side also. But
Is
it's
it?
actually not a path.
Is it?
No,
Yes,
you,
the
no,
rocks.
no, you're right. You're right. Just looks like a cross here saying we mustn't enter here.
And that's also closed. But there is a path there
Where?
outside.
Okay.
It's just
But
not
now
down
why don't we go through the...
there. Yeah, there is a path there.
Okay. Some more adventuring here. There's some tight cracks here.
Huh?
Bag on the back, off now.
Yeah, better off, yeah. Better off.
As you can see, it's quite dark in here. Well, I hope you can see. Watch out for all the... Get him on the side. Woo. Do you go up here now? Okay, oh I see. Yo, this is a tight spot. Everything is still here. Okay, now there we go. I love this. Yeah.
They might take the shortcut route.
Huh? Sorry?
They might take this route.
Yeah, no.
They might take the shortcut route.
Woo, woo, woo. Wow. Do I have to take off my bag here? I don't think so. Got it. Go low. And go low. And go low. And go low. And go knees. And go knees. And crawl. And crawl. And up. Damn. This is a proper obstacle course. This.
Oh, they're putting everything in front.
Yeah. Trees, rocks, chimneys. Seems like the final day is the toughest day.
Nah.
Crawling to tight crevices. We haven't done that on any of the other days. Anyway, this is actually that. This is that first day trail.
Yeah.
Then it goes to Pramkoppie.
Yeah.
I'm not Pramkoppie Brakwater.
Yeah.
But the board says here. Yeah, there we go. So this on the first day. Right. We're almost at the end, Groot Tuin. I can tell you now, this hike is highly recommended. This is stunning terrain for hiking. It's in the Northern Cape, and I'm sure this is not the best the Northern Cape has to offer. But for now, I'm gonna say it is the best. Unfortunately, can't give you any drone footage because something went wrong with my drone on day one and it flew into the side of the mountain. So I'm gonna have to check that out when I get home. But like I said, do Oorlogskloof. You are not gonna regret it. Right, I'll see you at Groot Tuin. Made it 5 days of easy walking through the Northern Cape. Yeah. No! Woo! And that brings us to the end of this adventure. Keep hiking.